Hey everyone, welcome back. While playing Match Factory recently, I kept running into posts online claiming there's a quick way to stack up coins using only your phone. No PC, no complicated setup, just a simple process people say works in minutes. At first I wasn't buying it. Stuff like this pops up all the time and usually ends up being overhyped. But curiosity got the best of me, so I decided to dig into it myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I tried, step by step, and we'll check the final results together at the end. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. Once I landed on the site, I used the search feature to track down the Match Factory coins tool everyone's been talking about. When the page loaded, it asked for the platform. I'm playing on Android, but there was also an option there for iOS players. After that, I entered my player ID, looked everything over to make sure it matched my account, and then tapped the Continue button to move on to the next step. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, time for the real test. I jumped back into Match Factory, headed straight to my coins counter. And yeah, something definitely changed. The extra coins were already sitting there in my balance. No restart, no waiting around for a refresh. The numbers updated immediately, which I honestly didn't expect. If you've ever experimented with things like this in Match Factory, let me know how it went for you down in the comments. And if you enjoy seeing these kinds of tests and experiments, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video!